Ladies, hold the phone. This is like giving me like classy, like Gucci, like Burberry, like I don't even know why I keep smelling my wrist, because you don't have to, like just a couple spritz and like it's in the air, honey. It is in the air.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills like road.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another scent from Dossier. Now I did review one scent from them in the past, which I really liked, and I'm so happy that I was able to work with them yet again. So they did send me another scent to try out for you guys. This scent is actually called Floriental Brown Sugar, and the one I tried in the past was called Fruity Honey. I've used this scent honestly a lot of times, you guys, and I just want to show you how much I still have left. So as you can see, they definitely do give you a generous amount of product for sure. And what I did mention before is what I really like about the Dossier scent, at least for the Fruity Honey, for my experience, is the fact that I don't need much and it tends to last pretty much all day. So I definitely did like that a lot. I feel like that scent was definitely long lasting. So let's just get into this one. So this one is the Floriental Brown Sugar. It has top notes of bergamot, raspberry, pear, middle notes of jasmine, orange blossom, brown sugar, and base notes of patchouli, amber, and vanilla. The concentration is 18%, and I definitely wanted to give this scent a try because I definitely am a fan of things that smell sweet, like cookies, something like that, you know what I mean? Like, so I'm definitely super excited to try this for you guys, and I just wanted to give you a whole breeze through on camera. So let's just see what it's smelling like. Ladies, hold the phone. This scent, this excitement on my face is real right now, you guys. Like, I thought I really liked the Fruity Honey because it was giving me the sweetness that I wanted, but this, you guys, I am in love with the scent. It's giving me like summertime mixed with like, oh my god, it's super good, you guys. I like that they definitely did a good job of capturing the smell of, like, it smells kind of flowery, if that makes sense, like vanilla flowery, but also mixed with some like brown sugar. Like, I don't know how they captured the scent so well, but you guys, this is beautiful. Oh my god. I feel like what notes are probably sticking out to me the most are probably going to be the amber and the vanilla, and definitely the brown sugar. So it's definitely giving very sweet, very sensual vibes, you guys. This is like giving me like classy, like Gucci, like Burberry, like, you guys. I don't even know why I keep smelling my wrist, because you don't have to, like just a couple spritz and like it's in the air, honey. It is in the air. I'm so happy they decided to send me along another scent, and just like I told you guys before, I haven't had the chance to get around to go and shop from them and pick up some more scents, but I 100% will be, because just the quality of it, the scent of it is just everything that I'm looking for when I'm looking for perfumes. As I told you guys in my other video when I did a Dossier scent, I do tend to go and shop at Bath and Body, but I gotta say, this is next level. Like, girl, like, I feel like I smell glorious right now. No exaggeration necessary. If you guys do decide to pick up any scents from Dossier, I highly would recommend the Floriental Brown Sugar, because they just did a good mix of capturing the brown sugar but also giving us like a little bit of a summertime vibe, if you dig what I'm saying. And I'm absolutely all here for it, and I definitely like this one much better than the previous one that I did, which, like I said, was the Fruity Honey. Now, don't get me wrong, I did love the Fruity Honey as well, but this one is just so much more my vibe, you guys. I feel like I smell like a snack. Like, girl, You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. But that's pretty much all I have to say. Special shout out for Dossier for sending me this scent along. I appreciate it. This is one that I will legit be using every day, you guys. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I will definitely leave a coupon code in the description box if you're interested in picking up any scents from Dossier. Definitely check them out, you guys. You're gonna get luxurious perfumes at a reasonable price for sure. I think that this one was around $29, which I hands down would not mind paying for the good amount of product that you get, as well as how long the scents last and how beautiful it smells. Like, honey, check them out. But that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If there's any other products or any other hairs or anything like that you guys would like me to pick up and try out for you, just let me know. Leave it down below in the comments. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.